Nigga, what's up? Hop, how you get your buzz up? I heard you signed up for your soul that the devil was the truth. Nigga, shut the fuck up. In my heart, there ain't much love, so if you get bashed, then that's tough luck. That B doing shit so big, haters, I'm on your side now, nigga, fuck us, it's not madness. Yeah, I'm back up in this, I'm a real nice nigga, but I rap with vengeance. Only got bad intentions, and I'm looking for a new mouth that my nutsack can fit in. I look like an idiot to grab attention, but my new fans telling me to trash my lenses. It's bad for business, I'm lacking senses. Feels like I'm trapped in a black dimension. Stepped in this bitch to wreck, so don't disrespect. I promise that'll be a big regret. I twist the neck, I'm looking for a fish to catch. I chop niggas up, yeah, I learned it from tech. I got hoes all over that wanna get me. They all yelling hot, so you turn me. When I feel like it's the devil trying to get me, and I don't wanna do a nigga send me. Nigga, I'm so cool, but I feel so low. See, I got a crew, but I feel so low. I cruise, but the wheels don't roll. You feel what I'm saying? So neither do I. I'ma give you niggas one more album, and after that it's peace out. Then I'm leaving you guys, you know why? The world made me feel like I lost myself. My own homies telling me that I need help. If you got a solution for me, you should probably holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Yeah, yeah. Holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Yeah, yeah. Holler at your boy. No. Locked in the room, spaced out like a love pop in this room. Godly confused, now I gotta make a decision and I don't really know what option to choose. I'm a big wreck, did you not get the news? I made $1 million but I not get abused. How did I manage to get by from the truth? Maybe I should've never would've dropped out of school. It's not that bad, you're okay, kid, you're up. But I got a life that I ain't too sure. So I gotta get just like Ace Ventura. Can't look at myself, I might break this mirror. Shit, fuck, I'm paranoid. I panic over every little scary noise. See, when I go to pick up the phone and tell friends about it, they won't answer cause they're annoyed. I'm like, I put a porno on cause my life ain't awesome, man. Jack off, go to sleep, wake up, jack off again. Then repeat the cycle. Can't go to sleep unless I leave the lights on. You don't know how many fucking demons I know. Maybe I should go and try to read the Bible. Fuck! Oh no. I don't even like rap, only thing I wanted was just to be cool. And hang out with a group of friends and solve mysteries like I'm Scooby-Doo. But I got way more than I bargained for. You can't chill when your heart is sore. I'm so mad I can start a war, so fuck off to me. I don't even know who I are no more. I feel like I lost myself. My own homies telling me that I need help. If you got a solution for me, you should probably holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Yeah, yeah. Holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Yeah, yeah. Holler at your boy if you know somebody. Man, y'all niggas tryna kill my vibe. Don't nobody feel my rhymes. This is going up tryna steal my shine. I'm all out of ammo, my skill just died. But oh my god, I love kid man vibe. Do on with a dumb skibbity bums get high. That there change my whole entire life. You make more things like that, I'd buy. Well, I got news for you, my screws are loose. I tell you, this rap thing here's what I used to do. Now I'm moving to Australia. When I go ghost, I'ma get a house on the Gold Coast. Yelling YOLO on the couch, feeling so dope. Living low post, so these foul niggas don't know. I be strutting around like hell yeah. But I'm losing my mind. Y'all assume that I'm cool when I rhyme. I'm trying to be Marcus and Hobson, but I get depressed when the two intertwine. I'm not the man that I used to be. Nobody cares who I used to be. To talk to, so I lose some heat. I'm cut bad and the bruises deep. Is there anything you could do for me? The world made me feel like I lost myself. My own homies telling me that I need help. If you got a solution for me, you should probably holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Yeah, yeah. Holler at your boy if you know somebody. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Yeah, yeah. Holler at your boy if you know somebody. 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 Holler at your boy if you know somebody.